Hey everyone, this is Greg from Versatile, and I'm here to talk to you about Microsoft Teams. During this video, I'll share with you what Microsoft Teams is and how it can be used in your organization. I'll also provide a quick overview of some of the features you'll find in Microsoft Teams. Teams is Microsoft's newest and flagship collaboration tool that will soon replace its predecessor, Skype for Business. Microsoft Teams is the perfect solution for organizations with a global, remote, or distributed workforce. With Microsoft Teams, these workers can more effectively collaborate regardless of where they're physically located. Microsoft Teams is included with most Office 365 subscriptions, so your organization may be able to start using it without any additional licensing costs. So, how do you start using Microsoft Teams? In most cases, Microsoft Teams can be installed by logging into your Office.com portal with your work credentials and installing the Office client included with your subscription. Alternatively, you can navigate to teams.microsoft.com/downloads, where you'll find a standalone installer for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile platforms like iOS and Android. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a look around. Here's my Microsoft Teams client installed on my Windows 10 computer. On the left-hand side, I have my primary navigation. First, I have my activity feed. This is going to be where you can quickly find updates on channels you subscribe to or posts where you're mentioned. Next, I have my chats. Chats are perfect for quick and informal conversations. I can create contact groups and add contacts to my contact list to make life easier in the future. I also have a recent chat history that I can use to go back and revisit previous conversations. In your chats, you can pin or mute a conversation by clicking on the three dots to the right of the conversation. Next, I have my teams. Individual organizations will set up teams based on what makes sense for them, but they're great for group or departmental collaboration. In my environment, I've set up one for various different departments in my organization. Lastly, I can view, open, and edit my files stored in OneDrive by clicking on the Files icon and selecting my OneDrive application. In the top right-hand corner of my Teams client, I also have all my account settings. Here's where I can go and I can set my presence, I can set a status message, I can view messages that I've saved to revisit later, or I can change my settings. Settings are great for setting your privacy and your notification preferences. In the top menu bar of the Teams client, I can create a new message or a new chat. Or I can search for history in my Teams client using the command bar. This has been our introduction to Microsoft Teams. Contact Versatile's team of experts to help with planning, deploying, or training on the Microsoft Teams platform. Thank you for watching.